Smile. Yan, nagluto tayo ng noodles para ngayon gabi dinner. Yan, with gulay. I put vegetable on it. Ang hirap mag-camera pag ano yan, luto na siya. Yan, may carrots, may bok choy. And meron tayong chicken marinated with the spices and garlic and pepper. Yan, for our noodles with chicken, fried chicken. Yan, yummers. So niluluto ko lang siya, malapit na yan maluto ang ating chicken. Ito medyo ano na ito, gusto ko brown. And then minarinate ko ito mga ka-smile, so that is ano, very tasty. And our noodles is Hokkien noodles. It's like Singapore noodles. So yummers. I put egg on it also, but you cannot see the eggs because it's very small now and natunaw na. Yan mga ka-smile, yung ating dinner. This is dinner noodles. Tikman natin, oh. Sarap. Yan, oh. I put eggs on it. Yummers. Yan mga ka-smile. Thank you for watching.